What do we do if our story problem has large numbers? Well, let's find out. If we've got a showroom that has 6 new cars and each car costs $39,990, how can they calculate the total cost of the cars for insurance purposes? So they need to insure all of them. Now, which one of these would they perhaps use? Would it be 39,990 divided by 6, multiplied by 6, or 6 multiplied by 39,990? Well, let's have a look what the statement or the sentences tell us. There's 6 cars, so we know the number 6 is important. Each one costs 39,990, so that's the cost for one car. Now they actually know that one car is 39,990, but they've got 6 cars and they need to calculate the total cost of the cars. So if we're working out the total cost, that means we're going to need to multiply the price for one, doesn't it? So we need to find the total. Now the first one has a divide sign. It's got the total price and it's dividing it by 6, so it's sharing. So that wouldn't be right because that's only one car's price. So that's going to result in a smaller value, which doesn't make sense for 6 cars. So let's get rid of that option. Our next option, well, multiplying's good because we're multiplying by 6 and there are 6 cars. So if we multiply 39,990 by 6, that will give us the total for 6 cars. So that one's correct. But let's look at this one in case this is also correct. In fact, it's just written the other way around. It's a turnaround. We've got 6 multiplied by, and that's because we have 6 cars, the price of one car. So that's also correct. Now I could solve it this way, writing it as an algorithm down the page, and I multiply by 6 by every digit, starting with the 0 in the units place. But I might even do it a different way. And I'm going to think about 6 times something because I want to use a shortcut and I want to be able to do this in my head. So I'm going to add 10 to 39,990 and that makes it 40,000. So I'm going to multiply 6 by 40,000, which I can do in my head. But remember I added 10 to that amount, so I then have to subtract 6 groups of 10. Now here's the thing. 6 multiplied by 40, let's have a look at that. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, 6 40s are 240, but it's 40,000, so that's 240,000. So I've already multiplied that part just like that. And then I need to subtract 6 tens, which are 60. Now, you might be able to do that in your head, but if you can't, what you could do is think of it as this. 240,000, we're going to subtract 60. Now you could solve that again down your page by regrouping, or you could actually solve it like this. Let's break that down into 239,000 plus 1,000. That's the same as 240,000, and we've still got to subtract 60. So now we're going to do that part separately. 1,000 minus 60, that's 940. So we've got 239,940. So the total cost for all 6 cars is $239,940.